What's up guys? So, samahan nyo ako ngayon na mag-format tayo ng laptop. So, sa katulad ko na hindi na yung gumagana yung mga file dahil marami na tayong so naghang na siya. So, search ko muna yung reset this PC. Alright, so reset this PC. Okay, so if your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. So, personal files, remove. Tapos meron dito advanced setup. So advanced startup. So dito tayo sa get started sa taas. Alright, pwede mo i-keep yung file mo, but since hindi na gumagana yung mga file, dito tayo sa remove everything. Okay, so do you want to clean the drives too? Just remove my file. Just remove my file. Kung gusto mo mas mabilis, we can't reset your PC while it's running on battery power. Alright, so charging na. Alright, so this won't take long. Alright, so yan na. Ready to reset this PC. Resetting will remove all the personal files and user account on this PC. And then any apps and program that didn't come with this PC. Any changes made to settings, this will take a while and your PC will restart. Alright, so restart na. Okay, so ganito yung mga sakitin na laptop guys. Kailangan natin i-reset yan para mag-refresh, no? I-refresh natin para hindi na naman siya lag. Alright, so it takes a while daw, so antayin natin. Okay, alright, so restarting na siya. Okay, so mabilis lang. Tapos downloadan natin ng malalaking file na naman, yung mga games, no? Tapos hang na naman. Hang na naman. Mahilig kasi sila nga mag-upload ng mga videos dito. Dito din ako nagre-remix ng mga song, mga dance. Kaso wala na. So babalik natin 'yan kung ma-recover na natin, ma-format natin yung laptop. What's up guys? So after 1 year natapos na. So installing na siya guys. So ito na, installing Windows. Alright, so wait na natin. What's up guys? So after 1 year, so ito na tayo. Nakapasok na tayo sa ating ma-set up na tayo ng computer. So Philippines. Alright. Okay. Okay na. Right, so yes, want to add a second keyboard layout. Skip ko lang siya. Alright, so wait na natin. Let's connect it to network. Skip muna, wag natin connect. Okay, so ito na yung notice. Accept lang natin. Accept lang. Okay. Alright, so it's going to use this PC name. Alright, so ito na yung name. After that, alright, so fingerprint. So akin yung fingerprint. Set up. Okay, set up fingerprint. Set up pin. Okay, so location full, okay, so accept lang natin. Tapos, okay na tayo dyan. Okay. So, na-format na lahat. Wala na hassle-hassle dito. Alright, so successful na guys. So, ito na. Wow! Back to normal na. So, try na natin kung hindi na siya lag. No? Alright, so try na natin. So, alright, Microsoft. Okay, so okay. So wala na. Wala siyang wala na nakasave na mga file dito. Okay, so okay na 'yan dahil na-backup ko na 'to sa other USB, no? So wala na siya. Okay, so good to go na. Alright, so yan na po guys. Wow. So thank you for watching, okay?